Good morning, everyone. It's October 12th, 8:17 a.m. I was looking at Amazon, and look at that. It finished at 32.86 on Friday, and now it's up to 33.60. I don't even know what that is. 70 something. Yeah. One point, let's see, the high was 66, so it'd been up 80 bucks at this point. Um, wow, what a crazy. I did a couple calls. Here's my lines. Ended up going $100, I think. So missed out on quite a bit more money again. So we're gonna get rid of these greens and these yellows. We don't want to. We don't really remember what we missed out on, right? But we made a few hundred, 600 bucks a day, Thursday and Friday, so we're good. And then I started messing with that Apple, and of course I wasn't used to the Robinhood computer, so I accidentally bought two and instead of selling two, which actually I sold two and then bought two more. I don't know. It was all I'm just confused. But um, yeah, I finished on Friday 116.97. I bought at 116 roughly. There's my zero, and there we are. Got two contracts and they're paying me like $1.20. So $1.20 every dollar. So that's $120 every dollar, and it's up $4, $4.50. Every dollar my Gamma adds 5 cents to my contract, so I make extra $10. Well, $5 each contract, two contracts. So doing pretty well on that. I'm excited. Got to 121, I think. Probably close. Yeah. So we'll see if it gets there again. We'll go over the plays here in 1 second. I'll be right back. All right. So with a contract, there was the buy. That was the last buy on the 9th, and then I ended up selling them. Um, yeah, I don't know. Got confused. I ended up making 20 bucks on that Friday, and then I bought those two other ones on accident. Well, anyway, so it lets you know that you get 62 cents on the dollar. Well, 62 and a half, right? And that's for 100 shares. So you get $100 or $62 for every dollar. And then every dollar that the price of every, where's Apple right there? Every time the price of Apple goes up, it doesn't help. There. Every time the price of Apple goes up $1, this how much you get back goes up by this much. So that's 5 cents added to that. So after $1, you're getting 67.5 cents. After $2, you're getting 72.5 cents. After $3, you're getting 77.5 cents. You get it, right? So every dollar for two contracts, it goes up an extra 10 bucks. Right, so we're doing the math on that. We're up like $4. So, um, where's that again? Apple's over here. We're up like $3.50. Okay, so uh, $1 would be 125. $2 would be an extra 135. $3 would be an extra 145, and $4 would be an extra 155. So if I put all those together, you're looking at 155, 45. That's 4, 536. No, 3, 4, 5. Roughly 500 bucks at 21. So anyway, pretty good little bit there. And then all right, back to Amazon. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consolidation. No, now we got lower ones. We got 1, 2, 3 reversal consolidation. Now we got 1, 2, 3. We're going way up here. So what I think I'm going to do is, since it's curving back down here on the 15, I think I might let it fall. See if we can make it, come down to this line, maybe 20 bucks, maybe 25 bucks, and see if we can catch one to go back up. The way that this is looking, it's crazy. So now we're only we're only $200 away from this now. So I mean that could come by Wednesday. Hell, it could come by tomorrow. Who knows? But by the way this is looking, I mean, it is overbought, so it's time to come down a little bit. So normally a retracement of 50%. So I mean, if we look at this, run of, we'll just say 3,200 up to 33, that's going to drop down $75. So it's going to try to come back below 3,300. And right there's the what line is that? The 9, yeah, the 9 4-hour chart. Anyway, we're looking at like 3,300 for a retracement. And then here's the 50, and it's sitting at 32.54, so 3,300. Plus there's that gap. We're gonna gap up. Oh, we closed it. Never mind. Still got that gap open. Look out for that. Our next support is gonna be around this 32 right here, and that's on the hourly chart. We're gonna have some support right around here. It opened at 32.89, so 32.90. Pull in there at 32.90. So we got about 6 minutes left, so we still got a little bit of time to keep looking at this chart, trying to make some sense of it. 32.90 is all the way up here. You got some huge support here at 32.25. That's not going to come into play. We got some touches here in this area, 3,300. Let's take a look. You know what? Yeah, let's take a look at this. We got some resistance here at 33.10 roughly. So it's going to be that same thing as 3,200 was. $10 above it, $10 below it. So it's going to be 3,300 though. 3,310, 3,390, and 3,300. 3,310. Oops. And make her black. And then we got 3290, and then 3,300 right in there. So we got some lines yet there to go. We don't have anything above this, right? I mean, as far as previously, we're starting to get to like second all-time highs. So our neck, we got the only thing we got is this peak left to measure off of. That's a 4-hour chart. You can go daily. There's that 3310. We're already past all that though. Can't really tell. Got some resistance here at 34.50. So another $100 up. We got some resistance. So I don't know. I would just look for it to fall down a little bit, catch some support, maybe chop back and forth for an hour or two, 3 hours, 4 hours, and then try to take back off. We went up so high after hours that who knows. We got Amazon Prime coming up tomorrow, I think. Tomorrow and Wednesday. 2 days this week, Amazon Prime Days coming up. And then for Apple, the release of their phone is coming up. I don't even know. Company shares trading higher than the company's expected iPhone launch Tuesday. So, they set a new price target for Apple of 132. And then Trump books fuel record sales. See, there's book sales about Trump on Amazon Prime Day. Again, we don't listen to the news, but we understand why that it's going crazy is because of Prime Day and book sales, I guess. we are just looking for some kind of support. Oh, man. And then we want some kind of a resistance. 86. That's where it peaked out. Let's see. High 65, high 66. Okay. So we got a peak. Come on. So I'm on this line, a high of 33.49. That's where we're at right now. 33.49. So we're gonna put a line there. 33.49. Alright, so that was support there one time. Let's see. Kind of chopped through that area before, gapped over it, gapped above it, gapped below it before, peaked out there once. It's sitting on there right now, maybe showing it some support. Shit. Okay. Showing support on the 1 hour chart. Showing support right now. It's getting ready to cross over on the 15. So our next stop would be roughly $30, $35 down, $40 down from there. So it's go time. I'm gonna sell off these apples. I'll be back. Alright, I was able to sell at 5.35. It was up another $50 above that. So I bought them at this Apple for $6.46, sold them $10.70, made $4.24. Alright, so now we're gonna check. Didn't mean to put her. Alright, so we got some support. We got a hammer candle. I'm gonna go in on a. We're gonna try. I'm gonna go in on a Amazon call for expire on the 16th. In the money is 6,200, 61.55, 61.60, 33, 62.15. Come on. Alright, we got 62.15, -7. So average price 62.15, 52 cents on the dollar. $3. So 54. $4. $6. Roughly 52. Roughly 52. Roughly. So about so now we're gonna take a look. I mean, it's gonna have some resistance right here at this point right here. So even though that's after hours or pre-market or any of that, so close 33.65.98, 33.65.98. If we get above that, then we can watch for a little bit. And again, we're turning down, right? We're crossing over here, so you may be trying to get out of here. 62.15 was my average cost. It's at 66.48, 66.50. I forgot what my average. 62.15. 68.73, 68.85, 68.70. 68.55, and I sold. So I just made $640, and then we're gonna watch it again. We're gonna try to go back in on that same 33.60 is $65, 6,500. Start closing above that. I mean, we should probably 65, 66.15, 66.35. Try to buy one at 66.35. Not feeling me. Replace 67, 66.85, 67.35, 67.50, 67.50. It's not feeling me. Excuse me. 69.75, 69, 68.90, 69.50, 69.60. Filled me on that one. -7, 69.50. Basically bought back in the same one. 54. So I'm roughly about $1 up. So 272. Roughly 72. So I bought for 69.50. It's at 73, 73.50, 73, 73.98, 74.18, 74.93, 75.08, 75.40, 74, 74.35. Sold it off. I'm up $1,125. That's a wrap for the day. I don't need to get back in. I don't need to chase. I don't need to do any of that. They're already up $94 on the day. I mean, they can go again. They can get all the way back up here today. I don't know, but we are breaking through this. uh, yeah. Um, it's crazy. Um, I mean, you can make money on the way down, make money on the way up, but the more that you get this big long shit, or excuse me, big long trends, the more you get these big long downs, big long ups, the more volatile it makes this. So the quicker you make the money. I mean, obviously it's going down further, right? But when you start getting this back and forth, it's not very volatile because it's staying in this range, not these huge jumps. Even if it went boom, 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 wow, like this, right? Once it starts to be like, I don't know, if once there starts to be a set pattern of this, $100 up, $100 down, $100, it's not as volatile. But when you go down $500, well, hell, $700, and then you come back up 500, it's insanity. Um, Again, I could have been making more. Look, you see how the 500 start, the 15 minute. You can't really see that. 15 minutes started to cross over. It didn't quite cross over. It went back up. It was overbought. It came in, and then it was getting overbought some more. It turned insane. Um, I don't even want to. I don't even really want to mess with it. I forget what I'm up, $1,100 or something. I don't know. But I'll catch right back up. All right, I'm back. Um, these are the contracts that I sold on Friday that I was getting at. Was like kicking myself for. Right now they're at 8,300, and they had a high of 9,400. So I had 4 contracts worth an extra $3,000 each. Um, so I bought them at roughly this price, five, and they were so like 12,000 or something. So for my day here, started off 11 minutes ago. Um, Bought one at 62.15. Sold them at 68.55. Uh, Made $640 off that one. I bought another one at 609.50, and I sold that one 7 minutes ago at 7435 for $1,100. And I mean, I don't even know. That was 7 minutes ago. It's been 15, so an 8 minute day, I guess. Um, it's crazy. Last week, and it hit my goal of $1,000 a day. So I'll start chipping away at that extra $260, $64 that I need to make my average. Um, I'm short my average on the month. 1 second. All right. I'm back. I was looking at something. All right. Yeah. $1,125 in roughly 8 minutes. I was saying that I didn't quite hit my goal for last week, and it kind of threw off my goal for the month as well. We're looking for $1,000 a day. There was 5 days in the week last week. So here we had 1, 2 trading days. We had 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days. We're on the 8th trading day of the month, and I missed my goal by $250. I think I missed my monthly goal by 800, something like that. So there it is. One day, look at that, 8:30, 8:40, 10 minutes. It was my weekly. We had that choppy one on Thursday. And that's why I'm so eager to sell on Fridays, because it's like, oh man, oh man. And then I get my money back and then some, and then boom. 1 month, it's not accurate at all. 3 months, I think it's a little more accurate, maybe. And then this right here is a glitch. I wasn't there. They said I was up like 35,000 in one day, which could have been true. I don't know. That was the day before my son was born. So who knows? But yeah, this is almost accurate. Gotta be close, because I mean it's pretty much flat right here. And this is where options started for me. Yeah, in this area. Excuse me. This is where options started. When it starts hitting those, yeah, that, yeah, that was Tesla. And you can see that I still didn't know what I was doing. Still a rookie. And I was like, oh my god, what's going on? Oh my god, oh my god. And then this is about where I started full time. So it wasn't exactly glamorous the whole time. But you can see that's a glitch. I mean, I don't understand this. That right there. But you can see how I was, you know. Anyway, that's me in a nutshell. That's me today in 10 minutes. Um, one second. Alright, if you like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, leave a comment, share with a friend. I'll leave some links for Acorns, longer term investment that rounds up your change on your credit cards and debit cards. I'll leave a link for Robinhood. If you want to trade options on your phone or even on the you can log in on your computer. And I'll leave a link down below. Use the link. I'll get a free stock. You'll get a free stock. I'll leave a link for Yotta, which is like the lottery high interest savings account, which last night I got the Yotta ball, which is kind of like the Powerball, and I just won 10 cents. So I have 4 tickets, which cost me $100, and I've been buying 1 ticket a week for $25, and it continues to play each week. And last night I got 10 cents. So that's 1%. I think that's 1%. That's 10 times what my savings account is paying me. Plus, I'm going to get interest on the year. So far, it's been a good deal. We'll see. There's always a chance you're going to win money, but there is no chance that you're not going to make any money in your savings account because 0.01% or 0.02% or whatever it is extremely low. I'll leave a link down below for Yotta. We can both get some free tickets on one-time drawing. I'll leave a couple links down below for other YouTube channels that show you how to read these candlesticks, show you how to read trends, show you how to put support and resistance lines, show you where good entry points are, shows you about consolidation, shows you about points of confluence. You just start opening that can of worms and eating it, and then next thing you know, you can make some money. This is RSI, this is MACD. I mean, I'll show you all that kind of stuff. That's it. I mean, until tomorrow, I guess. Peace.